Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to install applications on OpenBSD system, how to inform ourselves what kind of applications we have, and then how to delete specific application. So let's say that we need to install, for example, Python 3.6 or 7, and what we are going to use is three commands here. So package add to install or update software packages, package info to check what kind of stuff we have, and package delete to delete stuff. So if you have a couple of minutes or hours more, you can go through all these sub options here, but pretty much installing stuff on OpenBSD is a breeze, as they say. So let's go to it. Right, so first let's inform ourselves about what we have. Package, info, and we have a listing. So yeah, I have Python 2.7 right now, so let's actually deinstall first this Python and then we will install 3 point something version. What we need to say is package, delete, and then Python 2.7.16. And often the thing will work if you just say the name of application. So let's press enter, and that's pretty much it. Now, we have learned how to grab things, basically how to list things, how to remove things with package delete, which is simplest possible stuff. And now let's install Python 3.6 or 7, I think. So package, add, and if you wanna more output, you will probably say something like this or something. You can check manual pages, but let's just say that we wanna grab Python. Enter. And now we need to have options. We will see options as 1 for 2.7 and 2 for Python 3.6. Okay, so let's go with option number 2, and let's see what's up. I mean, of course, this is a internet-based installation, so you can also grab things from FTP servers, from CD or localhost or whatever. So we have Python installed, which is like quick stuff. So how to run it? Let's actually list it. Okay, where is it? Oh yeah, it's right here. So let's actually run some script. Let me see what I have. cd home, cd user. I think that I have some stupid script here, like, yeah, test ping. So let's see what's in it. We are just importing here OS module, and then we are calling command or external application. In this case, this is a ping and target is Google, so very simple stuff. So can you say just Python test ping .py? No, you can't. You need a state extension. So in this case, that will be 3.6, and there you go. So that's how you run Python script. That's how you grab things, info yourself about software you have, and yeah, I mean, really simple stuff. So let's repeat. Package, info to list, package add to add, simple stuff. Let's actually have both of Python versions. So 1, and now we will run that script with both versions of Python. Right, where I was, cd home user and Python 2.7 test ping .py. It works. Test 3.7. No, 3.6, sorry. And there you go. Simple stuff. Okay, so this is it for tutorial. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next one.